Something new is coming up. I'm gonna start something new called intermittent fasting. What is this about? Well, as you can see here, it's only coffee. I'm gonna drink coffee every day, every morning, instead of eating something in the morning. It's gonna be 16 hours. 16 hours without food. Only twice a day. I'm gonna be eating at noon, and I'm gonna have something little around 4 or 5 in the afternoon. I'm gonna try to lose 10 pounds during 2 weeks. You see right here? This is some fat. This is some belly fat I'm gonna have to reduce. I'm gonna lose 10 pounds during 2 weeks. 2 weeks with intermittent fasting. In Spanish, you would say, ayuno intermitente. I'm gonna try to lose 10 pounds within 2 weeks. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna have coffee in the morning, and around 7 in the morning till 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm gonna eat something. I'm gonna have, food. I'm gonna have a meal, and after 1 o'clock for 4 or 5 hours, I'm gonna have a little food, just a little meal, something, and after that, nothing else. Only water or green tea or just water. All right, that's gonna be called, it's called intermittent fasting. 16 hours without food. I hope it works. All right, 10 pounds for 2 weeks, within 2 weeks. Right now I weigh, I believe, 220 pounds. This is my normal weight right now. hungry as a bear. I'm having some green tea, you can see right here. This is some tea, some green tea in order to relieve the, the pain that I'm feeling in my stomach. This is how it goes, right? This is 16 hours without food, right? Just 2 meals, intermittent fasting. And around in 1 or 2 hours, I'm gonna have the second meal. And that's gonna be it. Till tomorrow for the coffee or another. Hey guys, this is it's almost 8 o'clock at night. It's gonna be my last meal for today. It's my last meal for today. All right, till tomorrow. So I hope you have a great night, and I'm gonna have fun now. Take care.